Hi guys, this is Neha and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Sorry that I missed last week's upload because I was really sick and I wanted to, take time, and I don't know, I did not feel like filming. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys 10 products from Meesho for home decor, and it's under 500. Everything is under 500. All of the 10 products, only one from them is 501 rupees. बस एक रुपए ज़्यादा है. So yeah, that's all, and it's been actually 2 months, and 2 महीने से I was trying to film this video. I don't know why I was delaying it. So yeah, I don't want to delay it much further, and let's not waste any time and let's get into the video. So the first product is actually behind me. So this is the first product that I bought from them. It's a glass thing. I'll show you a clear video of how I style it and where I keep it, and it's really good. It's really sturdy. It's a glass. This thing is glass, and this thing is metal. I really love this product. This product is for around 348 rupees. I bought it for 348 rupees, but prices actually differ a lot on Meesho. So but I will make sure that all of the links where I bought all of the products from will be listed down below, so you can go and check it out. मतलब ऐसा बहुत बार हो जाता है कि सेम प्रोडक्ट दैट लाइक अमेजोन, लाइक बहुत सारे सेलर्स होते हैं, बट आई विल मेक श्योर कि मैंने जो प्रोडक्ट लिया है मैं उसी चीज़ का लिंक नीचे डाल दूँ. मैंने जब ये ऑर्डर किया था आई थॉट कि थोड़े बड़े आ जाएंगे. लाइक हमेशा पता नहीं मीशो में ऐसे ही होता है, जब भी मैं ऑर्डर करती हूँ आई फील लाइक बड़े आएंगे, बट समहाउ वो छोटे ही आते हैं. एंड आई एम वेरी बैड एट मेजरमेंट. सो वहाँ पे मेजरमेंट लिखा हुआ है, बट स्टिल आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई एम सो केयरलेस एंड आई डोंट सी. ऑल्सो बिकॉज मैं इतना ध्यान नहीं देती, बिकॉज मीशो से मैं जब भी ऑर्डर करती हूँ आई एम इन अ हरी, लाइक आई एम इन रश. आई डोंट नो व्हाई, आई जस्ट सी इट, आई लाइक इट एंड देन आई बाय इट. मैं ज़्यादा उसके बारे में सोचती हूँ. आई एम लाइक इतना ही तो है, देख लेते हैं जब आएगा. दैट इज़ हाउ आई शॉप ऑन मीशो, सीरियसली. सो या, I also ordered this garland from Meesho, लीफ वाला गार्लेट. इसमें 10 पीसेस आते हैं. नहीं, इसमें 4 स्ट्रिंग्स आते हैं विच आर वेरी लॉन्ग. सो मैं ये पहले ही बता रही हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव यूज्ड इन लॉट ऑफ द होम डेकोर दैट आई हैव बॉट इन दिस वीडियो. सो वो मैं पहले ही बता दे रही हूँ. एंड दिस रिटेल फॉर 130 rupees. I will insert a screenshot for everything because थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाएगा हर एक चीज़ बोलने के लिए. एंड ऑल्दो आई डोंट नो इफ द प्राइस इज गोइंग टू बी द सेम. So yeah, so the third product actually that I bought from them are these wooden shelves. I really love these ones. This is like very staple. I think all of them have these, and these are really cute. And this is how I've used it. I've used the leaves garland too, and I really love it. I like how it put together the entire wall that I have created. I have painted the wall, so that really looks good. So the next product are these shelves, are these frames, okay? And I wanted to actually recreate this wall. I've seen this on Pinterest and I wanted frames, okay? And I have been in search for frames, for good quality white frames for a very long time, and it was very costly. And I don't know, मैंने इतना ज़्यादा मीशो में तभी नहीं देखा था. This was the first thing that I actually bought also, and in home decor. So I was like searching and it was very costly, and I'm like itna zyada costly क्यों है frames? And then by chance I saw this one video of Meesho home decor on YouTube, home decor finds on Meesho YouTube पे, and that is how I came across this. And these are the frames that I bought, and pictures though I have printed them and I have place them. I can only show you 4 of them in one frame, but I'll show you how my wall looks. And these were for only 501 rupees, and you get 11 frames, which is like so good. And these are very good quality, mind you, like really good one. I really love these frames. And I like how it looks on my wall. Actually, if you don't have any idea, you can just hung these frames with different pictures. I have printed them. I have created this on Canva. So easy and simple, and it looks really good. So yeah, that's that. And while I was already looking for frames, I needed a lot of frames for the reference picture that I was going for. I also bought these ones. These are a pack of 3. One second. These are the pack of 3 that I got, and this came with the picture that they have, the design that they have. It came with it, and I really love the quality of these ones too. And this only retails for 284 rupees. I got it for 284 rupees, which is like steal deal. I've seen these pairs in a lot of Instagram stores, and even they were very costly. It was for 800, 900,000. So yeah, 284 rupees, really good. I like the quality. And for that wall, as per the reference picture that I was going, I also wanted to add a macrame piece. And this is how it looks. I really love this one. Again, I thought that it would be a little bigger than in size, but I like it. I like how it is, and it is a very good quality. I like it. I mean, for 368 rupees, it's a good steal deal. And I love how it looks, and I like how this makes the entire wall put together, and it looks really good. So yeah, you cannot use this for bathroom because this has a cardboard on the back, so it's good that you use on a wall. So yeah, I first thought that I could put this in bathroom, but it would not survive in bathroom for sure. But so yeah, for sure. So yeah, this is how it looks, and I really like this macrame thing. And the next thing that I bought for that wall is this macrame shelf, which I really love, and which stands out and looks really cute. So yeah, even the quality is really good for 222 rupees. Like, I'm just amazed. Like, I actually like all of them. It's just that my complaint is with the sizes, which is actually my fault because they have mentioned it, but I don't know. I mean, like, that's my fault. So yeah, I really love, and the quality of this board piece is also really good. So yeah, I keep my Ganpati and my little cute diya on this, and it looks really nice. So the next product that I bought is a plant hanger, and this is how it came. I don't know, I somehow thought that it would come with the pots or vase, I don't know, but it just came like this, and it is only for 146 rupees. And this is how you are supposed to use, like, you can keep your pot. I don't have pots, but I have done a little DIY here and there. One is like this. I had these hoops that I used for some other things, so I thought of adding that with little bit of leaf garland, and I just hang it near the corner of the living room, beside my curtains. Look really cute. And and two of them I have placed it with bottles in my balcony, which looks really good. I have also put like small battery operated diyas down below. I just got those from a local market, which looks really cute. It looks really good in the evening when we sit there. It looks really cute. So yeah, these are like those. You can obviously just use them as plant hanging things on balcony, in balcony, or in the living space would really, go well. But I like the DIYs, but I like the little DIYs that I did with them. So yeah, you can get some inspiration. So the next thing that I bought are these wooden stool, which I really love, and this was exactly what I expected. Once again, I need to fix it. Okay, yeah, done. It's very simple but a little tricky. So yeah, this is how it looks, and I love this wood, rustic wood, which this gives, and it is very sturdy. And mind you, Augie has behind this for a very long time, and this has been fallen for like what, 200 times now but still it has survived. And for 358 rupees, this is really good. This with a pot looks really good. Your living space would look really, really cute and put together. So yeah, very good, very great purchase. I like how that looks. I thought that I would put that in my balcony, but it's rainy season and it will spoil everything. So yeah, I just keep this beside my sofa. With this plant that I bought, I keep this on that table, which looks really cute. Again, I thought that this would come in a bigger size. This is for 345 rupees. I thought कि ये बहुत लंबा सा झाड़ होगा, but ये छोटा सा आया. So yeah, it just went with that stool somehow, because I wanted to have, the illusion of a big plant beside sofa. I love how that looks. So yeah, and again, ये इतनी बार मतलब पता नहीं Augie से ट्रिगर ही हो जाता है ये प्लांट से. So he always picks on those leaves and वो बार बार गिर जाता है, but still it's very sturdy. Okay, these two things are very sturdy. इतनी बार गिराया है Augie ने, but still very good job. I'm just in love with how this looks. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you all like all of the products that I have shown. मुझे सारे products बहुत पसंद है. There's actually a lot of home decor still, but those I've ordered from Amazon. Amazon का actually there is like a big thing. Okay, my full kitchen is from Amazon, and I really love my kitchen. If you want, I need a suggestion. Okay, if you want to see my kitchen and all of the products that I use in my kitchen, let me know. If you want to see, I will make a separate video on Amazon finds, or Amazon kitchen finds, something like that. So yeah, let me know about that. I'm very serious about it. Okay, please मुझे बताओ अगर मैं करूँ कि नहीं करूँ. If you want that kind of information, I will make it. So yeah, I hope कि ये सारे products तुमको अच्छे लगे हो, and it's very cheap and very good, and it's just going to be very good statement things for your living space or whatever you want to decorate. So yeah, I hope you all like it. So yeah, let me know about the kitchen finds, and also let me know if you want to see, or does it even work अगर मैं मेकअप वीडियो करूँ. आई डोंट नो इफ वो चलता भी है, बिकॉज everyone just does makeup. If you want to see natural, and also if you want to see, I will make it. If you want to see a natural kind of a makeup, or you want to see something bold like this, let me know about that too. So yeah, बहुत ज़्यादा blabbering हो चुका है, and I've tried कि मैं ये वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिस्प और छोटा रखूँ, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू बोर यू गाइज. इसलिए मैं इतना फास्ट भी बोल रही थी. आई होप वो इरिटेटिंग ना लगा हो सबको. सो या, दैट्स ऑल. एंड या, आई लव all you guys have been showering upon me on the previous videos. Oh my god, I love and I'm overwhelmed just seeing the views and everything. So please, yeah, if you like the video, if you've come across my video and you have watched till now, please subscribe. That would mean a very lot to me. So yeah, that's it. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.